Hello to all my 9th class students. Welcome back to our English class. So everybody knows that we are discussing with the 5th unit. The name of that unit is Disaster Children. From those unit we have the three parts. The first one is about the reading A, reading B and reading C. Recently you have seen watch my video based on the topic reading the poem grabbing everything on the land. It is related to the tsunami. Right now this is the reading C part, children. What we are going to learn something from our English textbook. So from 5th unit reading C is the lesson the ham radio, children. Okay, so what is the name of our lesson? The ham radio. So this complete lesson was present in the page number 102. Already I have mentioned the blackboard. So without getting any confusion in referring the textbook, so directly go to the page number 102, children. Right. Now let us start the lesson, the ham radio. What is this, sir? What is this ham radio mean? Before going to start our lesson, just I wanted to show you the picture of ham radio, children. This is the picture of ham radio. Have you seen? So this is the picture of ham radio. There is one mic, yes, and some frequency, radio frequencies are seen here. Some numbers are being noted. Yes or no? So it is a big machinery type. Yes or no? Now, what is the use of the ham radio, sir? You'll get that out. What is the use of the ham radio? So, have you seen, children? Our old grandparents, grandfathers, when they visit to the field or when they sit at lonely at some other place, they catch the radio. Yes or no? They will catch the radio to listen the news, to listen the songs and what is happening all over the world. They wanted to listen. Yes, that radio. Now, did you observe that radio has any wire connection? How the wire connection had to your television, LED TV or whatever it may be. Does it has? No, it is not there. Yes or no? So it is same like that only, children. But in the radio only we can get the information through the frequencies. Okay, through the frequency we are going to listen all the news, songs, whatever the information. Right now, so now we are not comparing this radio with our ham radio. The ham radio is completely different from the radio. How it is means, see here, ham radio. How we are going to speak in the mobile phone? Okay, if you have a cellular phone, everybody are using the greatest technologies, new mobile phone, 4G mobile phone, 5G mobile phones. Why? For what purpose? Whatever you are listening through the radio, whatever you are watching in the television, directly it is coming into the mobile phones. Yes or no? It is coming into the mobile phones. Now this ham radio, the use of ham radio is how you are going to speak in the mobile phones, but your mobile phone will work till that capacity only. At what capacity it will run? Whenever how much battery power is there, that much only it can run. After the finishing of your battery charge, okay, what will happen? It will become silent. Yes or no? It will become switch off or weakened. But here ham radio, it is not like that. It is also a wireless communication, children. It is a wireless communication. How our frequencies are present in the nature. So according to the frequencies, it is going to work. Right? So what is the user? So when you speak in the mobile phone, what you are gaining? Just we are collecting the information from your neighbors, from your friend side, and they are sending you the same message. Yes or no? Right. Here also the same. This ham radio is used to exchange the message from one place to another, children. Okay. So the use of the ham radio is that to exchange the message, to pass the message from one place to another. Right. So in olden days, mostly more and more ham radios are being used. Now also it is used, children, but in our local areas it was not found. Now let us start our lesson. The world is not a very safe place to live in these days, as disasters and terrorism can strike at any moment. Okay, so the world is not a very safe place. Then where we should have to go, sir? If the world is not safe means yes, our world is not a safe place. Why? Because we don't know when the enemies are going to be attacked us, when the disasters are going to be occur. Disaster means you can take floods, okay, earthquake, tsunamis, whatever it may be, fire breaking also is one of the disaster, children. Unknowingly, unexpectedly they are going to be happen. They are making call to us and they are coming. No, they are not coming like that. Unexpectedly they are going to be happen. So that's why we are going to call them as the disasters. And terrorism, children. Terrorism means suppose if you have the enemy, if we have the enmity with other countries, the other country people may attack at any place. Terrorism can strike at any moment. That means they can occur at any moment. We cannot tell. That's why we are telling that the earth is not the world is not the correct place for the human being to live. He is telling. Next one, communication. Okay, when we are suffering with these disasters, when the terrorists have been attacked to us, it will be very difficult for you to communicate, to share our problem with the other people. Yes or no? So during that time, communication is the only relief in times of disaster, and hence the need for an efficient disaster management system become imperative in public places and even in business establishment and important commercial joints where people move around in large numbers. So here, communication is only relief in the time of disasters. Only relief is nothing but communication is only the one way where we can communicate. Okay, suppose one area is affected with the disaster, floods. Okay, the people who are living in that area, how they are going to be communicate? Are they able to make a mobile call to with their cellular mobile phone? No. Why? Because how their houses have been collapsed, that everything, their belongings have been destroyed. So it is difficult for them to communicate, and hence need for an efficient disaster management system. Okay, so this is one system, children. One system is there which is going to be help for those disaster people. Okay, the people who are suffering in those disasters, there is one system is there, because imperative in public places. Okay, the communication has become very important. Imperative is nothing but it has become very important in the public places and even in business establishment. That means if you want to do the any business with, that is also at that places also the communication is more and more important. And important commercial joint where people move around in larger numbers. Okay, so if we wanted to know if we wanted to collect the more and more information about one area where the people are living in large numbers. Okay, so at that time the communication is very, very important for us, and that is the only way to have to interact with other people. Now, how you are going to interact? That only we are going to learn from this lesson. Disasters might strike in the form of natural calamities. Calamities are nothing but whatever the disasters are going to be happen. No, I don't know, floods, droughts, cyclones, storms, okay, earthquake. This all comes under the natural calamities. Terrorist attacks and accidents also, children. Whenever the terrorists are going to be attacked for us, at that time also it is very useful for us. And accidents, whenever a person has met with any accident also at that time. Okay, suppose accident in the sense, suppose a plane which is moving in the air, it has been collided. So at that time these ham radios are very, very important. Have you seen? Now I will tell one example for you. Most of these ham radios we can see in the aeroplanes where the pilots are going to be used. Yes or no? And he is connected directly. Wire is there directly. Okay, so this part is seen in their aeroplanes. Thus, an efficient disaster management system which will work in adverse condition is needed. So, the efficient disaster management system. I have told you this is one system which is going to look after the people who are suffering in the disasters. Okay, which will work in adverse. Adverse is nothing but they are in favor. Okay, they are in favor. Okay, they are in favor in to help for the people only. Okay, in need. Disaster management crew must be well trained and equipped with the best appliances which might help them to communicate the condition they are in and the status of the calamity in the region they work for. See here, disaster management team must be well trained. So the disaster management, who is going to look after the people who are suffering the disaster, no? The people, the team, they should have to be well equipped. Equipped means nothing but well trained with the best appliances. So to save for the people, they are using some equipments, okay, and whatever the equipment they are using, that should be very perfect for them, which might help them to communicate the condition they are in and the status of the calamity in the region they work for. So here, what is the meaning of this sentence means here? So communication, this communication team, what they will do, they just communicate with the people where they are suffering, okay, in times of natural calamity like floods. Now see here, at what time the ham radios are going to be useful here? See, in times of natural calamities like floods, storms or fire, the usual mode of communication like phone, mobile, etc. might not work or might become inoperative in the calamity. So if one calamity is going to be occur, if any disaster is going to be occur, it is not destroying only for the people children, it is destroying all over the place, and what is present in the place, that is also going to be destroyed. We have the mobile phone, we have the handset or whatever it may be, so that all going to be destroyed and they are not going to be permanent with the people, no? Yes or no? Even the disasters occurs also, it is not going to be with that. Now underground communication lines get disabled due to flooding, okay, so whatever the wire connections are present in the underground, that also being destroyed due to flooding. Flooding means more and more water, the flow of more and more water is called flooding, children. Next, cell towers are broken over or simply choked due to high utilization. See here, so whatever the cell phone towers are there, no, have you seen beside your villages or near to your village, you will find many towers which is used for your mobile phone, for the mobile connection, for the network purpose you are using the towers, no, they are being collapsed, okay. So due to high utilization, backup generators run out of fuel. So if any natural calamities occur, the generators also are not going to be helpful for the people here. Are filled up with water, okay, so all this, how they are destroyed? Due to water. This is where ham radio, okay, this is where ham radio. So when we are facing the disasters, whatever the mobile phones are there, whatever the mobile phones are there, everything, generators are there, they are not going to help, they are not going to be helpful for us. Only the one thing is going to helpful, that is the ham radio, children. Ham radio, in the bracket amateur radio also we can call. The other name for ham radio is amateur radio. See, ham radio comes into picture. Picture means into the work using HF. Using HF. HF is nothing but the short form of HF. The full form of HF is high frequency. High frequency radio sets. Messages can be conveyed or delayed to long distance. See here. With the use of the ham radio or amateur radio, we can send the messages. Okay, we can send the messages and we can receive the messages from those people who are suffering from those disasters. Okay, accurate picture of situations on the ground, requirements and key information could be sent to the disaster response team. So accurate picture. Whatever the pictures are there taken from the disaster place, okay, that pictures are also going to be sent through this ham radio, okay, and it is giving the, and it can be sent to the disaster team, response team. With amateur radio operators, that means the operators who are using the ham radio, for them we are going to call the amateur radio operators. Amateur radio operators, you have a ready workforce that is efficient with regard to communicating with each other efficiently and effectively. So the team is the team which is using the ham radio. They are working very efficiently and effectively. They are working, not using. They are working the ham radios. Okay, they are they are known for innovation and are adapting to situation. See here, they are known, the people who are using the amateur radio, that means the operators, okay, they are well known for innovation. Innovation is nothing but they are well known for creating something new and are adaptive. Adapt means they are very skillful at modifying. Adapting is nothing but some modifying the situation. So if any area has affected with the disaster means immediately these operators, amateur radio operators immediately rush to the scene, get the information, okay, and they will solve for the situations. Next one, unlike commercial systems, amateur radio is not dependent on terrestrial facilities that can fail. So these amateur radios are not going to depend on the terrestrial facilities. Terrestrial facilities means the facilities which are related to the earth. Okay, so related to the earth. That means landlines are there. Okay, they are working on the landlines, right? And one wire is to be connected, and they are not going to be help for us during this bad situation. It is dispersed throughout a community without choke point. Okay, so it is dispersed throughout a community without choke points means. See here, I will read the complete sentence. It is dispersed throughout a community. Dispersed through a community without choke points such as cellular telephone sites that can be overloaded. So here, it is dispersed through a community without choke points. See here. So what is given in this sentence means here, the ham radios are dispersed throughout a community without choke point. Okay. So here cellular cell phone sites cannot be overloaded. See, we are using the cell phones, it can be overloaded. Why? Because whenever the extra data information is given to that mobile phone or something means due to the loss of charge it may become dead. That means battery will become dead. Yes or no? So at that time these all things are not going to be useful except the ham radio. Now amateur radio operators are experienced in improvising antennas and power sources, and most equipment available today can be powered by an automobile battery. See here. So what is given? These operators are very well experienced. They are very well experienced in improvising antennas. Improvising antennas means, have you seen the antennas? If you want to get any tower, okay, we had some antennas. Okay, some antennas. And power sources, most equipment available. Okay, equipment is nothing but machinery available today can be powered by an automobile battery. So whatever things are there, they are working with the batteries only. Annual field days. Annual field days are held in many countries to practice these emergency improvisational skills. See, annual fields are held in many countries. Annual fields are held in many countries to practice these emergency improvisational skills. So annual field days. Annual field days is nothing but the last stage, children. The last stage of those days. These ham radios are very useful for the practice in the emergency improvising skills. Amateur radio operators volunteer to help. Volunteer means what? Amateur radio operators are always be ready. Volunteering is nothing but be ready to help, and as and when needed. As and when needed. When we needed any help from these ham radios means these ham radio operators are every time ready to help for us. Next one. However, there is no national database on active operators who can be called up during any disaster, and also if they have right setup, which means ready to go on air gear. At short, amateur radio operators can use hundreds of frequencies and can quickly establish networks tying disparate agencies together to enhance interoperability. See here, disparate, what is given? Different in quality or kind. So what is mentioned here? Amateur radio operators can be used hundred of frequencies. So simply the voice is not heard from the ham radio, children. So the frequencies are, the hundreds of frequencies have been receiving for us, and we are quickly getting the information from those ham radios. So okay, so there is a lot of information is given. Only some difficult words are given in this lesson, children. So you just read it and be ready to understand the lesson. Okay. Next one. Next paragraph. In the Gujarat, that means Gujarat is present in the state in which country? India. In the Gujarat, India earthquake on the 26th January 2021. Amateur radio operators of Gujarat, okay, commenced disaster relief communication within hours of the tragedy. Okay, so what is given? So we had one earthquake, children, during the period of 2021 in Gujarat. During that period also, these ham radios are being useful during that period. With the help of the ham from various parts of the country, an emergency traffic network was established to exchange information to various parts of the country. So with the help of the hams are nothing but ham radio. So with the help of the ham from various parts of the countries, an emergency traffic network was established. Okay, emergency traffic networks. Have you seen the traffic networks when we are passing through the roads? Okay, so we are getting the information through that. Somewhere we have kept the signal, and somewhere we have kept the CCTV camera. Okay, that was seen at which place? In the headquarters of children. So in that way, so we can take the information from those areas and we are going to collect with the help of the ham radios. Next one, recent example include the September 11 attacks on the World Trade Center in Manhattan in 2001. Okay, so recent examples here he mentioned in this paragraph. What he has mentioned? He has mentioned the examples where these ham radios has been used. So examples he has included on September 11 attack on the World Trade Center WTC in Manhattan. That means it is in foreign place, children. So in 2021, the 2003 North America blackout and Hurricane Katrina in September 2005, where ham radios or amateur radios was used to coordinate disaster relief activities when our system failed. So whatever the system is there, now suppose mobiles are there, phones are there, so these all are not going to be useful during those days when the natural disasters are going to be had happened in those areas. He has mentioned the date, not date, children, year and the date also. The year, date he has mentioned at which place the disasters has been occurred. So during those days, what had happened? Children? This commercial communication is not useful. Only with the help of the ham radio, they have collected the information from those places. Now, on September 2, 2004, ham radio was used to inform weather forecasters with information of Hurricane Francis leave from the Bahamas. See here, not only by giving the information about the disasters, it also gives the information about the weather forecasting. That means whatever the weather we are going to face, weather is nothing but the climate, children. Now we recently had the Gulab Tufan. Yes or no? Gulab cyclones have came across. So that before only the information was given by whom? By the Pakistani people. Why? Because they have faced before 2 days than Indian. Yes or no? So how the information has been passed? The information immediately was being passed by these ham radios only. Now on December 26, 2004, an earthquake and resulting tsunami across the Indian Ocean wiped out all communications with the Andaman Island except for an expedition that provided a means to coordinate relief efforts. See here. So what is given on December 26, 2004? An earthquake and resulting tsunami. Whatever the earthquake and the tsunami has occurred in the Indian Ocean, what it has done? It has been destroyed everything on the land. Okay, wiped out is nothing but destroying everything on the land, and it has became very difficult to communicate with the people here. Recently, amateur radio operators in the People's Republic of China provided emergency communication. So here, recently he is describing how the ham radios are being operated here. provided emergency communications. Emergency, that means if anybody is there in trouble, okay, so this anybody is there in trouble, so that how the problem is going to be solved by using the ham radios. They are getting the information and immediately the people are going to save for those people who are suffering in the disasters. Now, recently amateur radio operators in the People Republic of China provided emergency communications after the 2008 Sichuan earthquake. After 2008 Sichuan earthquake, and US hams did similar work following Hurricane Ike. Now next one. But cyclone, earthquakes or floods are not everyday events. They are not going to come natural. Cyclone, floods or earthquakes, they are not going to come daily. So what we see every day is that someone in the remote place is struggling for life, awaiting the arrival of an essential drug from another town, or someone has lost a dear one because medical attention could not reach him on time. So here we are not going to expect when the disasters are going to occur, when the problem is going to be occur. Whenever the problem is going to be occur, so this at the time the ham radios are not going to be useful for us. Why? Because they are not available. They are not available during that time. So awaiting the arrival of an essential. So whenever the disasters occur, the people who are suffering in those disasters, what they will do? They just wait for the help. If anybody have come and helped for us. Now, all this happened because most often communication is slow or impossible. Why the people are not going to come and help you for those people who are suffering in disasters? Why? Because the communication system is not going to be work here. The communication system is very slow during that place. Hams have special section to handle medical and other emergency traffic on their daily nets. So these ham radios have the special network where the problem has been going to be occurred. They rush immediately and they began to help for those people. Now, so this is the complete biodata given about for children. It is given about the ham radio. Now, how to become a ham radio? That means the person who is going to operate the ham radio, how he is going to operate, how he is going to become a ham radio. Let us see here. Question is put here. The complete answer is given in 2 paragraphs. Amateur radio operators have to qualify in examination conducted by Ministry of Communication, Government of India, and obtain license for operating or possessing a radio station. So the person whoever wanted to operate the ham radio, what they should have to do? They should have to qualify in an examination which was conducted by the Ministry of Commission Children. So the Government of India and obtain. So the Government of India which is going to be conducted exam. For that exam they should have to qualify in that exam. Then they should be obtained the license for operating. They are provided the license also for operating or possessing a radio station. Any individual above the age of 12 is permitted to appear for amateur station operator license examination. So any age individual, is nothing but any young boy who has the age of 12 is permitted. That means permitted is nothing but given the permission to appear for. That means appearing for the examination. Now, and no education qualification is prescribed children. So 12 years of age, it is very small age. That means 7th class or 8th class students we can tell. So that type of age students are also eligible for this exam to write children here. No qualification is provided. Prescribed means no qualification is required here. It takes just 2 months. So the training is given in just taken in 2 months. Say 2 hours a day training. That means 2 months training is the children to become the ham radio amateur. To become the radio amateur, that 2 months training is there. From the 2 months training also, only 2 hours of time is enough for a student to learn to become eligible for the examination. Here the training is enough for the 2 hours to selected to eligible for the examination. One should qualify a simple test conducted in 3 subjects. Okay, so one person, one boy will be selected in that. One should qualify a simple test. Okay, one student have to qualify the simple test which was conducted between the 3 subjects. The names of the subjects are given here, children. Roman number 1, 2, 3 are given. Morse code. Morse code is nothing but transmission and reception. Transmission and reception. Transmission means sending the information. Reception means receiving the information. Communication procedure. Okay, how you are going to communicate with the other person. Procedure. Next one, basic electronics. Basics of, they should have to know the subject, basics of electronics also. The officer in charge, wireless monitoring station, Department of Telecommunication under Ministry of Communication, Government of India is the authority for conducting this test in their own town, provided there are sufficient number of applicants. See here. So who is going to be conducted here? Officer in charge, wireless monitoring station, Department of Telecommunication under Ministry of Communication. So from the Government of India is responsible to conduct this exam, children, for the qualification. Next one. So here the applicants also they are not in more and more number. They are very sufficient in number. The licenses are issued by Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing of DOT, Government of India, after passing the test. So after passing the test, who is going to be issue the license for you? Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing, DOT. DOT is nothing but, children, Department of Transportation. Department of Transportation. That department is going to be issued the license for you. Okay, whoever is joining in the radio amateur. Okay, whoever is wanted to become the radio amateur. Now next one, you can know more details from the website www.hamradio.in or amateur radio / okay. So if you wanted to know more and more information about this ham radio, you can go through this website. It is given in the page number 104, children. So if you wanted to know more and more information about the ham radio, you can go through this ham radio. That means you can go through this website. Okay, so hope all might have understood. If you don't understand also, read the lesson once or twice. Okay, so that your reading skills also will be getting improved. While reading, keep concentration and understand the lesson carefully, children. So in the next class we are going to see the next topic. Okay, with this I am ending my class. Bye to everyone.